Hi, Vadim here. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through everything you need to know from start to finish. Most professionals eventually face the challenge of juggling notes, tasks, and ideas across dozens of tools and folders. OneNote solves this with the clear structure that works just like your brain. Notebooks, sections, and pages. Let me show you how to set up a professional OneNote notebook from scratch, step by step, and explain why each part matters. Let's start by creating a notebook. I'll call it Marketing Project Notes. You can think of this like a binder for a specific project, client, or team initiative. Why this structure? Because it keeps everything about this one marketing campaign, tasks, feedback, meetings, assets, all in one place. Next, I'll add few sections. These are just like tabs in a binders. Let's start with campaign plan, meetings, client feedback, and then add campaign assets. Each one represents a different stream of work within the same project. This avoids clutter and keeps notes findable. Inside each section, I add pages for specific moments or documents. Let's build one together. Under campaign plan, I will add overview and goals, timeline, and brainstorm. Overview and goals to capture plain text, timeline to capture screen clippings and table, and brainstorm for bulleted ideas, audio notes, and tags. And here's what makes OneNote so powerful. I can type anywhere, paste anything, draw, or even record. You can also organize with tags and search. To keep track of tasks, I use tags. I'll mark this idea as to do and that one as important, and this question as follow-up. Later, I just hit the search bar and pull every to-do across the notebook. It's like creating a filtered dashboard without leaving the page. Now let's make it collaborative. I'll click Share, invite a team member, and now we can both add notes, comments, and ideas, and all of this live. This is essential for remote teams. Instead of messy email threads, everyone works in one shared brain. You can also integrate OneNote with Outlook and To-Do. This is how Outlook connects with your workflow. Do you have an important email? Hit Send to OneNote right from Outlook. And when you are inside OneNote, do you want to track a note as a task? Right-click on it, select Outlook task, and sync it with Microsoft To-Do. This bridges your notes with your calendar and inbox without any copy and pasting. And that's the full structure built from scratch. This is how you benefit from OneNote the most. You build a clean structure, you capture content flexibly, you tag actionable items, you collaborate in real time, and you integrate with Outlook and To-Do. OneNote becomes more powerful the more intentionally you set it up. Remember, you're not just taking notes, you're building a second brain. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to online training for everyone. Have a great day.